Okay, I just went to like recheck the video and see if it recorded everything, and it did. This one's so much better than the other freaking recording system. Okay, where were we? Now create two. Okay, let's make this smaller. So I did skip step 1, but it's exactly like step 2, except we have to only do the column input and not the row input. And also make sure you follow the other steps where you change the name of like the cells, like use, I think it was like B for whatever and so on for it. I create a two-variable table for D14 to K19. So we're doing the same thing. Go to what if data table, and it says row input as B5, and column is still B4. Okay, and then apply this one as a custom. So we're gonna right click and go down to format cells, and we're gonna change hours contracted to, okay, we have to put the quotation marks, go to, and then type in hours slash prices, right? Price, and close quotation mark, and then okay. So it could actually put a text and not like some weird number in text. Okay. Number 3, we're gonna go to change worksheet, and then create a scatter with line chart for D4 to F14. What are we inserting? A scatter with straight lines. Okay, so see, I don't like this one because you can't read like what it is. So I'll go to like recommend and then click all charts, go to scatter, and then like if you hover for a little bit, it tells you exactly what it is. So this is with straight lines, no markers, just straight lines. Okay, and then they want us to delete that chart title, and then add sales. So access title, add sales and expenses, and hours contracted. Resize and reposition to D15 to H32. H32. Okay, and then now what? Change bound options. So we're gonna double click on the numbers. Also over here, and then click on the little bars and axis option. The minimum bounds for the vertical axis is 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the maximum is 2 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And change the number format. So we're gonna go down to numbers and then change it to currency with 0 decimal places and add. Oh, it's already there. And then we're going to change the minimum bound for the horizontal axis, which is here. Go over here, axis option. The minimum to 3,000. The maximum to 5,000. And that's it. And then number 6, create 2 scenarios to compare the costs. What are we doing? In scenario manager. So what if scenario manager, add 2 scenarios. Oh, the little table here. Oh yeah, right. Oh, never mind, this is not hard. Standard. Then the changing cells will be B11. That's not B11. This B11 comma, and then click on B14. Click OK, and then we're gonna follow the little table. It's gonna be 380. And I think this is 380,000 already, yeah. Then we're gonna add a second one to certified. Same thing. So 420, and then this is 335,000. Okay. And then close without showing. Okay, so that's it. Number 7. Switch to process. Okay, let me open this back up. Process and put another scattered line plot from D6 to I 14, right? D6, yeah. Add another scatter line. Okay. Reposition to D15 to I 32. Okay, we're gonna get rid of chart title. Reposition the legend to the right. And then we're going to add access titles and double click on this to change it to net, and double click the horizontal one, and then hours contracted, then change the color to monochromatic. If you hover, it tells you what it is too, so don't be scared. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I need water. Number 9, change the bound axis, so vertical. Double click this one, double click the numbers, and then go to axis option. The minimum is negative 100. Oh, that's 200. 100,000. And then this one will be 650,000. Now what? Set the horizontal axis to cross at. So it says horizontal axis right here. We're going to click on the axis value because that's what it said, to negative 100,000. Change the number format to currency with 0 decimal places. Add. Now double click the horizontal numbers, go to the bars and change the minimum to 3,500 and 750. Yeah. Then now we're gonna change the series. We're gonna right click this and select data, and then we're gonna click series 1 and edit the name to cell E5 and click OK, and then same thing, edit to F5, edit to G5, left click, we're on G5, right? G5, click OK, series, edit to, did I mess up? Why? Oh yeah, I did. This one is H5, and then this one is I5, right? We got E, F, G, H, I, right? 270, 280, 290, 300, 310. Okay, we're done. Next, we're almost done, guys. Process providers. What are we doing? Run solver. Switch to then run solver. Okay, they want us to run solver, so we're gonna go to solver. Oh yeah, I hope you guys did like the intro that tells you to like do the add-ins, because I already had it from my last class. Okay, so we're gonna set the objective to, what are we setting it to? E10, right? E10. Okay, and then changing variables are gonna be B4 to D4, and then we're gonna add constraints. What happened? Why did it disappear? No, here it is. E4 is equals to 5,500. Add a new one. E10 is less than or equal to 3135 1234, and add another one. We're gonna do V4 to D4. Sorry, I need a burp. Excuse me. B4 to D4 less than or equal to 5,000. Add, and then B4 to D4 should be an integer. Add, cancel. Now what? Okay, run solver. I think we click solve. Okay, yeah. And then it says keep solution, return to the, click OK. Then save the model. So we're gonna click load and save it to A14 to A21. Load. Okay, not that button. Do not click load. Okay, do this again. Save. There you go. And then close. Now we're going to all types. This is where it gets complicated. For me at least. I don't know. Maybe you'll figure this out. You probably won't because this is gonna be like a 93%. Which is 100 because you know if you get 80 and up it's 100. Switch to all types and then use scenario manager. So we're gonna go to what if scenario manager, and then they want us to scenario summary the report, scenario summary right here. Then B17 D17, click OK, and then 12 is done. We go back to this tab again and create a scenario pivot table report. So we're gonna go back to what if scenario manager, and we're gonna go to summary. We're gonna go to scenario pivot table report. Right? Where am I? What is this? Over here. Okay, we click OK. Now this is where I don't get everything right. Remove the filter. I don't know what remove the filter means. Remove? Okay. But I don't think that's removing the filter, is it? Field settings. None? And subtotals. What are subtotals? I don't know. How do you remove? I don't really care anymore. We're just gonna. Okay, that's all the same thing. We're just gonna click remove and hope for the best. They want us to change this to currency, right? Currency to 2 decimals. They're all 2 decimals. Are they? Why is it like this then? Let's just do it just in case. Okay, yeah, it is 2 decimals. Now they want us to change the name, so we're gonna double click that and change it to management. That's not how you spell it. Management, right? Yes. And then click change. Double click for process. Oh, that's process. Okay. And A1. Use profit per hour contracted as report title. Format the report title using the cell style. So we're going to cell styles and click title. You know, my first attempt I could not figure this out, but then the second try when I was re-recording I was like, oh, there it is. Anyways, so we're gonna go to A through D and right click column width to 15. Done. Now we're gonna add a pivot chart. Where is pivot chart? Insert pivot chart. Why is it asking for a range? Just give me the pivot chart. Do I have to highlight this? Create a clustered column pivot chart. Clustered. Yeah, we have to highlight the little table, and this is clustered column, right? Yeah, this one, the first one. Click OK. I'm gonna reposition to A8, and D20. Why are they so specific with this? But okay. And then we're gonna have to hide show field list. I don't really know how to hide the field buttons. What does that even mean? Select data. Ooh, I don't know what that is. Cancel. Oh, up here. Is it? No, it's not. Field buttons. Hide all. Oh my god. Was it really this whole time? No way. Are we done? Okay, let's find out together if that was right actually this time. Okay, we have to change this to 2. It's gonna tell me no because I already have something. Okay, we're gonna have to rename this. I'm gonna save a copy. Let's, which one? Browse. And here we go to my downloads. Yes, let's replace it. Got it. No, I don't. Whatever. Okay, why'd you do that? Okay. What time is it? 2:28. Oh my god. Submit. Let's see. Did I do it better? Would I get in trouble if I share? What's a homework assignment? It's not like a quiz or anything, right? Like, we're working together. Oh my god, I got a 97 this time. What happened? Save a solver mode and whoops. Well, you guys could do that. What is this? Whatever, we got a 97, guys. A win is a win. See, earlier? See, let me show you guys what I got earlier. Where's Excel? Earlier. Report 3, report 2. See, I got a 93 here, and then report 1. Then we got 91 here. Anyways, I recorded it like right after I finished my first attempt, because if I record this a different time, I'm gonna forget and I'm not gonna remember. And I know there is a girl who made like PowerPoints, but I'm sorry I did not bother to look at those, but hopefully this helps whoever else. But thanks, guys. Should I email the professor first? Be like, would I get in trouble if I share this? But like, why would he care? I'm like helping, right? But it's like, am I really helping? If I'm giving you step by step. Anyways, no one snitch, okay? Actually, please don't. I don't know. I mean, should I ask the professor? What if he says no? What if I still post it even though he says no? Could you guys keep a promise? A little secret? What if I get in trouble? Then my freaking, oh my god, you guys better not snitch, because my last class had a snitch and we got in trouble for our group chat, but whatever. Anyways, yeah.